Welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we'll be talking about the Rolex Datejust 34 with white gold and an oyster steel, with a black index dial and an oyster bracelet reference number 115234, a classic model in Rolex's line of Datejust 34s. We'll be talking about the case, bezel, dial, crown, bracelet, and the movement, and I'll include my thoughts throughout the video. As the name suggests, this Datejust 34 is 34 millimeters in diameter from finger to thumb. The model is also made of white Rolls-Royce, Rolex's own compound of 18-karat white gold and oyster steel for strength and corrosion resistance while maintaining a luxurious look and feel, a formula featured on Rolex models since the early 1930s. The back contains the typical screw-down case back, helping to ensure water resistance down to 100 meters or 330 feet. In addition to this, the right side contains the signature Rolex winding crown, which, when screwed tightly to the case, continues to ensure superior water resistance. The crystal is of a transparent, scratch-resistant sapphire, so there's no fear of suit threads or buttons damaging the crystal. There's a Cyclops lens directly over the date for easy reading at a glance. The bezel is the fluid-style bezel capable of attracting attention from anywhere in the room with its textural look and practical legacy. Originally, this fluted look was made for the function of screwing the bezel onto the case to ensure waterproofness. Over time, it simply became an aesthetic element, and today is a mark of distinction, and it is always in gold. In this case, white gold. This dial, as indicated by Rolex, is a bright black, meaning that it has the utmost readability with the 18-karat white gold index markers set all around, except for the 12 and 3 hours, which are taken by the Rolex crown logo and the date window respectively. These index markers also have applied luminosity markers for easy reading in the dark. And as an example, I can turn out the lights here. And there you go. You can also see that the minute hand and hour hand also have that chroma light display added to them for easy reading in the dark. Turning the lights back on now. The crown contains the Rolex logo and ensures water resistance down to 100 meters or 330 feet when wound tightly against the case. Setting time and date are rather simple, and as you would expect, simply unwind the crown to the first position, and this allows you to wind the watch. Alright, pulling it out to the second position allows you to advance the date by simply rotating it clockwise. It takes about a 90-degree turn to advance each day. So if you are a time traveler and need to go forward, say about 20 days at a time, Rolex has you covered. Pull it out to the final position and note that this has stopped the seconds hand, but it allows you to move the minute hand for precise time setting. Press the crown back up against the case and wind it tightly to ensure that superior water resistance. This bracelet is the oyster style bracelet with flat 3-piece links, also made with Rolex's own white gold Rolls-Royce in the middle, polished, between brushed, satin finished oyster steel links on the outside. They're also polished along the sides as well, and all brushed along the bottom. The advantage of this bracelet is that it has the folding oyster clasp, which provides that 5mm comfort extension. This is with it closed, and if you need those 5 extra millimeters, you can open it just by pulling it outward like that. This allows you to wear this watch even when your wrist changes size throughout the day. Right? The most important part of this timepiece from a technical standpoint would be the movement. One of Rolex's newer in-house movements, a 32-35 caliber with a plus or minus 2-second time differential per 24 hours, continuing to exceed Swiss standards of timekeeping. It is a perpetual mechanical, and self-winding timepiece, so you only need to wind it once fully while wearing it to allow the timepiece to continue winding throughout the day. The oscillator contains high-performance Paraflex shock absorbers and a paramagnetic parachrome blue hairspring to resist magnetism. The power reserve on this watch is only 48 hours, so you can set it down for approximately 2 days. Alright, and now to try this watch on. Alright, note that the high contrast of the dial actually makes it extremely appealing with just about any outfit, and as you can see, I am changing outfits so fast that you cannot even see me change them. That's how hyped I am about this watch. But in all seriousness, this is an excellent entry-level Datejust for those starting their Rolex collection. If you have a number of watches already, this can be a good staple for everyday wear, so you can save your specialized watches for other types of functions and events. The black dial and 18-karat white gold goes with just about any color combination, so this is truly made for everyday wear. But enough about my thoughts. What about your thoughts? Leave them down in the comments below. Be sure to leave a like, as it really helps our channel out. If you learned something, do hit that like button. If you don't like me, or if you learned nothing, hit that dislike button twice. Be sure to share this video with anybody looking for their next watch. And don't forget to subscribe. Click that bell notification so you can be notified when we go live with another video. And don't forget, if you want this or any other watch, be sure to visit us and put in your order at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.